Hi, my name is Lex. I'm an instructor with Nautilus Sailing. We often get the question, ASA or RYA? The answer is, it depends. Around the world, there's different sailing courses you can do. There's American sailing, known as the ASA, or the Royal Yachting Association, which is the RYA. Both organizations have trained countless competent sailors over the years. Many people complete the American sailing program in just a week, whereas the RYA can take several weeks to a month. Neither is inherently better, it's just designed with different goals in mind. If your goal is to charter a boat or to sail recreationally, the ASA is an efficient path for you. And one of the huge advantages is that the course can be completed in just a week. In our experience, the vast majority of sailors fall into this category. They want to gain confidence and get on the water as soon as possible. RYA is often attractive to sailors pursuing professional development. If you're going to work in the industry professionally, RYA is an excellent choice. So what matters most is not the logo on the certificate, but the quality of the education. A thoughtfully designed curriculum, excellent instructors, and a student's willingness to prepare and engage will have far greater impact on long-term success than the certification system itself. The goal is not to collect certifications. The goal is to become a competent sailor. For most people beginning their sailing journey, the ASA is an outstanding introduction into the sport. It provides a practical, structured, and efficient way to build real-world sailing skills and begin enjoying the lifestyle immediately. For others pursuing professional opportunities, RYA may be the better fit. The good news is there's no wrong answer. Choose the path that aligns with your goals, commit to learning, and get out on the water. That's where great sailors are made.